prefers to wear contact lenses over prescription glasses, then this video is for you because I'm going to be showing you how to insert and remove your lenses the safe and correct way. So before you begin doing anything, you should first make sure that you have your solution and your contact case. The first step in this process is obviously washing your hands. Washing your hands with soap and warm water is very important to ensure that you don't get any dirt or infections in your eyes. Then you would just go in and dry your hands off with a paper towel. So the second step of this process is where you will actually begin inserting your contacts. So you would have to remove the lens from your case and then position it in the middle of your finger. Making sure that your lens is in a U shape is very important. Sometimes it is hard to tell the difference, but you see here it has curved out edges, and if it looks like this, that means your lens is backwards and it will irritate your eye. So as soon as you remove your contacts, make sure that your contacts are in the shape of a bowl and they have no curved out edges. So next thing you're going to do, step 3, is going to be to take some of your solution and then just drop some in the middle. This will be so that when you put them in your eyes, it won't be dry. You're just making sure that it's moisturized before you insert them. So this is where the hard part comes in, actually putting them in. When you go to put in your contacts, you should always stretch your eyelid, open your eyes up so that you can actually have room to insert it in your eye. Some people stretch the top, other people stretch the bottom, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to do the top. Okay, so I'm going to pull the top of my eyelid, then you're going to look away so that you're placing the contact lens on the white part of your eye. So you pull, look away, and then press down gently. You may have to blink your eyes a couple times just to get the contact to adjust in its rightful place. Then we'll try it one more time with the other eye just so you can see another example. So you're going to add some solution, and you're going to stretch, look away, and insert the contact onto the white part of your eye. Blink a couple times so that it adjusts, and then your contacts are in. Last step, which is step number 5, which is the most important one. You still have solution left over in your case, so you're just going to take that and dump it into the sink so that you'll have fresh, germ-free solution for when you go to store them after you take them out. Now that I've shown you how to insert your contacts, now I'm going to show you how to remove them. So the first step in this, again, would be to wash your hands with soap and water just to ensure that there's no dirt or germs or anything on your hands before you go to touch your eyes. Step 2 will be to repeat the same process that you do when you inserted the contacts, which would be to stretch your eyelids up so that you have room to go in and grab it out of your eye. So you're going to stretch your eyelids, and then in this process you're going to have to go in your eye and kind of gently pinch the lens, not too hard because you don't want to hurt your eyes, but go in and pinch the lid so that you can remove it. Right, so now I'm going to show you. You're going to go in, hold your eyelid up, stretch it out so that you have room to go in and grab it. And you're going to take your finger and pinch, feel around for the lens, then pinch and pull it out. And we have it here. Then I'm going to show you one more time with the other eye. So you're going to hold and then pinch. And then we have our other contact lens. So after you've taken your lenses out, you need to make sure that they go back in the case, making sure that you put them on the right sides that they belong in. The contacts that came out of your right eye should go in the right side and vice versa. So once you've stored your lens in the case where they belong, you're going to take your solution and you're just going to pour on each side, making sure that there's enough in there to cover the contact completely. You're going to do it to the other side. So when you have done that, this is what it should look like. You have your contacts and both sides on their rightful places. It's completely submerged in the solution. Okay, so the last step of this process, which is step number 7, you just have to close your case. Make sure that you twist tight enough so that if it's ever accidentally knocked over, nothing will come out. And then, there you go. Okay, so I just showed you how to successfully insert and remove your contact lenses. This is Jordan Lewis. Thank you for watching.